All right, so we're at Patuxai Monument and at night. So it's a little bit different here at night because, well, there's gonna be colors, fountains. Check this out. So the Patuxai Monument, it actually had a different name before. And I'll put that name somewhere in the video because I can't remember it right now. But this is one of the most historic places you could visit in Vientiane. So for most people, they're gonna come here, and also they're gonna visit the Thot Luang. So the temple and this monument right here, they're the two most famous spots in Vientiane, Laos, and I would say in Laos in general. And there's government buildings over there on the right. But yeah, this is Patuxai Monument. And man, it is beautiful. And there's something going on here, I'm not really sure. We just stopped here at night with the my family here. Wow, but this is beautiful. Here's today. And this square, it normally gets even busier than this. So today is a Sunday night, but even then there's normally a lot more people. But today is not a bad crowd at all. Not so many people where you can't enjoy it. But man, this is beautiful sight. This is another place where, you know, come during the day so you kind of see everything, but then come during the night because it's different at night as well, especially with all the lights. All right, check this out. Wow. That's so beautiful. And during the day, you can actually go to the top of that. Check this out. So beautiful. And if you have a really nice camera, or any camera, you use your phone. It's really beautiful photography and video here. Check this out. Wow. Look at that. Man. So beautiful. All right, so here's a Patuxai Monument at night. Even though you've probably already seen this during the day, it does have a different look and feel at night because of the lighting. So we're gonna go inside just to see how it looks like at night. And in some ways, I just think it's more beautiful at night because you see the lights hit it, different shadows and stuff, but regardless, this is an absolutely stunning monument. Oh man, so beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. Just has a different feeling whenever you're here at night. I wish there was a way to go up there here at night, but obviously it's closed. Wow. Just breathtaking. So here's how it looks like right behind you. It is absolutely stunning. I love this, so beautiful. So come here at night, absolutely, but look at this. Absolutely incredible.